Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. And let's be real for a second. The internet has completely changed how we make a living. Gone are the days where a 9-to-5 was the only option. The digital economy is booming, and it's never been easier to carve your own path. Whether you're looking to escape the rat race, achieve financial independence, or simply explore new and exciting income streams, the internet has you covered. Now more than ever, technology is opening doors and creating opportunities that didn't even exist a few years ago. We're talking about everything from freelancing and e-commerce to AI-powered automation and the world of digital products. The possibilities are literally endless. And the best part? You don't need a fancy degree or a ton of capital to get started. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 5 ways you can make money online in 2025 and beyond. We'll explore the ins and outs of each opportunity, the potential rewards, and the challenges you need to be prepared for. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future and unlock the earning potential of the digital age, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with the world of freelancing and remote work, a space that's absolutely exploded in recent years. And honestly, it's not hard to see why. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have completely democratized the job market, connecting skilled professionals like you with clients all over the world. Think about it. No more soul-crushing commutes, no more office politics, and the freedom to set your own hours and work from anywhere with an internet connection. That's the beauty of freelancing. Whether you're a writer, a graphic designer, a virtual assistant, or a web developer, there's a global demand for your skills. But of course, like any competitive landscape, freelancing has its challenges. You've got to be on top of your game, constantly honing your skills, and finding ways to stand out from the crowd. And yes, managing your own time, setting your own rates, and hustling for new clients can be a learning curve. But here's the exciting part. AI is changing the game. We're already seeing AI-powered tools that help freelancers streamline their workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and even connect with higher-paying clients. Now, I know some people hear AI and think job killer, but I see it as a massive opportunity. Think about it. As AI takes over the more mundane aspects of work, freelancers are freed up to focus on what they do best: creative problem-solving, strategic thinking, and delivering exceptional results. This is where the real value lies, and it's where smart freelancers will thrive. So, if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and embrace the freedom and flexibility of freelancing, there's never been a better time to jump in. The future of work is here, and it's all about leveraging technology, embracing innovation, and building a career on your own terms. Let's talk about the world of content creation, because let's be real, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, podcasts, these aren't just platforms for entertainment anymore. They're powerful avenues for building a personal brand, sharing your passions, and yes, generating serious income. Think about it. What's more fulfilling than getting paid to do what you love? Whether you're a natural storyteller, a comedian at heart, a gifted educator, or you simply have a knack for making people laugh, there's an audience out there waiting to connect with your unique voice. But here's the thing about content creation. It's not just about hitting record and hoping for the best. You've got to be consistent, you've got to be engaging, and you've got to understand the ever-changing algorithms that govern these platforms. And that's where AI comes into play. We're already seeing AI-powered tools that help creators optimize their content for search, analyze audience engagement, and even automate video editing tasks. Imagine having an AI assistant that helps you craft the perfect headline, identify trending topics, and edit your videos like a pro. But here's the thing. AI can enhance your content, but it can't replace your creativity. The most successful creators are the ones who can connect with their audience on a human level, who can tell stories that resonate, and who can build a community around their shared passions. So, if you're ready to unleash your inner storyteller, build a loyal following, and potentially turn your passion into a full-time income, the world of content creation awaits. Just remember, consistency is key, engagement is king, and never be afraid to experiment and evolve with the ever-changing digital landscape. Now let's talk about the world of e-commerce and dropshipping. Because honestly, has there ever been a better time to launch an online business? With platforms like Amazon FBA, Shopify, and Etsy, the barriers to entry have never been lower. You don't need a warehouse full of inventory, you don't need to handle shipping logistics, and you can reach a global customer base right from your laptop. The beauty of dropshipping in particular is its simplicity. You partner with a supplier who handles all the storage and shipping while you focus on what really matters, building your brand, marketing your products, and providing exceptional customer service. It's a low-risk, high-reward model that's perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs. But of course, with any business venture, there are challenges to navigate. Competition is fierce, and standing out from the crowd requires a deep understanding of your target market, a commitment to quality, and a knack for marketing and branding. But here's where things get really interesting. AI is revolutionizing the e-commerce landscape, providing entrepreneurs with powerful tools to gain a competitive edge. We're talking about AI-driven customer insights, personalized product recommendations, and automated inventory management systems. Imagine having an AI assistant that analyzes customer data to identify emerging trends, predicts future demand, and even personalizes the shopping experience for each individual customer. That's the power of AI in e-commerce. The future of e-commerce is all about leveraging data, automation, and personalization to create a seamless and engaging customer experience. And the entrepreneurs who embrace these technologies will be the ones who thrive in the years to come. Now, let's talk about building wealth. And for many people, that means diving into the world of investing in crypto. Now, I know what you might be thinking, investing? Crypto? Isn't that risky? And yeah, like any investment, there's always an element of risk. But here's the thing. The biggest risk is not investing at all. Think about it. Inflation is eating away at your savings every single day. And if your money isn't growing, it's shrinking. Investing, whether it's in the stock market, real estate, or even cryptocurrencies, is about putting your money to work for you, so you can build wealth over time and achieve your financial goals. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. The world of investing can seem intimidating, especially for beginners. But the good news is, you don't need to be a financial expert to get started. There are tons of resources available online, from educational websites to investment apps that can help you learn the ropes and start investing with confidence. And here's where things get really exciting. AI is transforming the investment landscape, making it easier than ever for everyday investors to grow their wealth. We're talking about robo-advisors that create personalized investment portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals, and AI-powered trading platforms that analyze market trends and identify profitable trading opportunities. Imagine having an AI assistant that manages your investments for you, rebalances your portfolio as needed, and even identifies emerging investment opportunities before they become mainstream. That's the power of AI in investing. The key to successful investing, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, is to do your research, invest for the long term, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. And with the power of AI at your fingertips, there's never been a better time to take control of your financial future and start building wealth on your own terms. Now, let's talk about the future of online income. And that's where AI automation and digital products come into play. We're talking about creating and selling digital assets that generate passive income, freeing you from the limitations of trading time for money. Think about it. Online courses, ebooks, software as a service, SaaS, AI-powered tools. These are just a few examples of digital products that can generate income 24/7, even while you sleep. The beauty of digital products is that once you've created them, they can be sold over and over again without any additional overhead. But here's the thing, creating a successful digital product takes more than just throwing something together and hoping for the best. You need to identify a problem that people are willing to pay to solve, create a high-quality product that delivers real value, and market it effectively to your target audience. And that's where AI comes into play. We're already seeing AI-powered tools that help creators write compelling sales copy, design stunning graphics, and even automate customer support. Imagine having an AI assistant that helps you create a high-converting sales funnel, personalize your marketing messages, and provide 24/7 customer support. But here's the thing. AI can enhance your digital products and automate your business, but it can't replace your creativity, your ingenuity, and your ability to connect with your audience on a human level. The future of online income is all about leveraging technology to create scalable and automated income streams. And the entrepreneurs who embrace these technologies will be the ones who achieve true financial freedom and build businesses that thrive in the digital age. So there you have it, the top 5 ways to make money online in 2025 and beyond. Whether you're passionate about freelancing, building an online empire, or exploring the world of investing in digital products, the opportunities are out there. But here's the key takeaway. Success in the digital economy requires more than just hard work. It demands innovation, adaptability, and a willingness to embrace new technologies. The truth is, the landscape of online income is constantly evolving. What works today might not work tomorrow, and the only way to stay ahead of the curve is to be a lifelong learner, to embrace change, and to never stop experimenting. Remember, the internet has empowered individuals like never before, giving us the tools and resources to create our own opportunities and build the lives we've always dreamed of. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in, explore these opportunities, and remember, the future belongs to those who are bold enough to create it. If you're interested in how to make money online, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for our next videos.